Hi, Linda here. How are you today? So I'm just making up some page examples for my weekly sketch layouts that I'm sending out for September. And I just got a very quick tip for you. Make sure you add a month and a year to your page as a date. I'll just show you what I mean. Okay, just like that. It doesn't have to be obtrusive. It can just be written on the side of the page. But it's quite important. You'll look back on that in the future and you'll wonder when it was. So just add a quick dating. So that was a very quick one. It's just good practice to get into. If you're not getting my weekly sketch yet, go. Well, actually, I'll put a link in below this post so that you can get it. So it's a weekly sketch. It comes out on a Friday, and it's just a bit of inspiration for you to make you think about a quick layout that you could do without having to think too much. I'll catch you soon. Bye.